Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Honda Jazz Crosstar versus Toyota Yaris Cross. We'll dive into what makes each of these compact hybrid SUVs stand out, focusing on their design, performance, and overall appeal. Whether you prioritize city maneuverability or weekend adventure, understanding their differences is key. Let's explore which one might be the perfect fit for your daily drives and beyond. When it comes to power, the Jazz Crosstar's 1.5-liter hybrid system delivers 122 horsepower, offering a smooth, responsive drive. The Yaris Cross, also with a 1.5-liter hybrid, provides between 114 and 129 horsepower depending on the trim. For fuel efficiency, the Yaris Cross often leads, with official figures up to 62.8 miles per gallon. The Crosstar is also very economical, achieving around 58.9 miles per gallon, making both excellent choices for saving on fuel costs. Inside, both cars offer impressive practicality for their size. The Jazz Crosstar shines with its unique magic seats, allowing for incredibly flexible cargo configurations and up to 199 liters of space. It starts with 298 liters in the boot. The Yaris Cross provides a generous 390 liters of boot capacity, expanding to 1,097 liters, and features a functional 40/20/40 split folding rear seat on higher trims. Both offer modern infotainment with screens up to 10.5 inches in the Yaris Cross and 9 inches in the Crosstar. Driving the Yaris Cross feels nimble and refined, particularly in city traffic, with its hybrid system providing instant torque. The Jazz Crosstar offers a comfortable, easygoing ride, benefiting from great visibility and a practical cabin. Both are reliable hybrid options, but the Yaris Cross generally starts at a slightly lower price point, offering strong value. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the Yaris Cross's sharper handling or the Crosstar's unique interior flexibility. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.